Hello and welcome dear students. Children, इस वीडियो में I will give you the question answers of the chapter A Triumph of Surgery from class 10th book Footprints Without Feet. Let us start with the question answers. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए और वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक भी करिए. Let me take the questions from your book. Page number 1, read and find out. First question is, why is Mrs. Pumphrey worried about Tricky? Mrs. Pumphrey was worried about Tricky as he lacked energy. He was hugely fat and Mrs. Pumphrey thought that he must be suffering from malnutrition. कि वो कम खाना खा रहा है, शायद इसकी वजह से उसकी हेल्थ जो है वो खराब हो रही है, वो वीक होता जा रहा है, इसलिए उसके अंदर अब एनर्जी नहीं रही है खेलने की, भागने की, उठने की. So she gave extra food to Tricky, but later Tricky stopped eating even his favorite dishes. उसने अपना जो मनपसंद खाना था वो भी खाना छोड़ दिया. And he had bouts of vomiting. वो vomiting करने लगा. He spent his days lying on the rug and panting, means taking deep breaths. Panting is taking deep breaths. He even stopped going for walks and would not do anything. Now, second question, children. What does she do to help him? Is she wise in doing so? Now, children, when Mrs. Pumphrey saw Tricky lacking energy, she started giving him extra diet, extra food between meals, means meals between meals. She gave him malt, it's kind of whiskey, children, and cod liver oil and Horlicks at night to make him sleep well, ताकि वो रात को अच्छे से सो सके. She gave him cream cakes and chocolates that he loved to eat. She was not wise in doing so, as Tricky was getting fat day by day. Moreover, no exercise was given to him. उसको कोई exercise नहीं होती थी उसकी, वो सिर्फ खाए जा रहा था, and it worsened his condition. Tricky got sick and needed immediate medical treatment. Next question, children, very simple. Who does I refer to in the story? I is the author, James Herriot, who treated Tricky. Now we come to the questions given on page number 3 of your textbook. Read and find out. First question, is the narrator as rich as Tricky's mistress? Yes, children, answer is very simple. Obviously, he was not that rich as Tricky's mistress, that is Mrs. Pumphrey. James was surprised to see how she would raise the dog, providing all the facilities for him, the bedding and his rugs, whatever she was giving to Tricky, and feeding him with such expensive food, the eggs, whiskey, brandy, everything. And moreover, she would come in a very expensive car whenever she was coming to visit Tricky over there. Dr. James could not afford that lavish life. Now question number 2. It is how does he treat the dog? James, Dr. James Herriot, or the author, Dr. James stopped giving food to Tricky for first 2 days as Tricky had grown too fat. He gave him only water. उन्होंने उसको कोई खाना नहीं दिया 2 दिन तक. Only पानी पिलाया उसको. No medicine was given to him. And Dr. James observed his performance every day. He gave him food after 2 days and gradually increased it. He made him mix up with other dogs, play and run with them. उन्होंने उसको एक natural environment दिया. खाना कम किया, पानी ज़्यादा पिलाया और he made him mix with other dogs so that he is able to play with them, run with them. And this way he treated Tricky. Next question, children, very interesting one. Why is he tempted to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest? Dr. James was tempted to keep Tricky as his permanent guest as Mrs. Pumphrey was sending eggs, whiskey and brandy for him, means for Tricky. He was not given any of these things, means Dr. James did not give egg or whiskey or brandy to Tricky as part of his treatment. And instead, all those were enjoyed by whom? By James himself and his friends or partners over there in the surgery. Dr. James wanted this to continue, but he was really worried about Mrs. Pumphrey that she would be very sad without Tricky. Now, children, another very, very important question from the chapter. Why does Mrs. Pumphrey think the dog's recovery is a triumph of surgery? According to Mrs. Pumphrey, Tricky was seriously ill. She was very afraid whether his condition would improve or not. And Tricky needed immediate medical attention. उसको एकदम से जो है मेडिकल अटेंशन की जरूरत थी क्योंकि वो बहुत ही ज्यादा फैट हो गया था, वो खाना नहीं खा रहा था, वो सब चीजें हम पहले डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. आप वो सब कुछ इसमें लिख सकते हैं अगर आपका लॉन्ग आंसर है तो. डॉक्टर जेम्स ट्रीटेड हिम विदाउट गिविंग एनी मेडिसिन. कोई मेडिसिन नहीं दिया उसको. एंड आफ्टर अ फोर्टनाइट मीन्स अराउंड 2 weeks, Tricky recovered completely and had been transformed into a hard muscled animal. अब वो ज्यादा फैट नहीं था, वो ज्यादा एक्टिव था और वो बाकी जो डॉग्स थे वहां पर उनके साथ आराम से खेलता था, दौड़ता था. ओके, he was no more fat like before. She was so happy to see Tricky. Who was happy? Mrs. Pumphrey was so happy to see Tricky that she had tears in her eyes when she came to pick Tricky over there in the surgery, means the Dr. James Hospital. She thanked James Harriet and declared Tricky's recovery as a triumph of surgery because he was not given any medicine. Without any medicine, Tricky got well. And children, now on page number 6, there are some questions that is under the heading Think About It. First question is, what kind of a person do you think the narrator or a veterinary surgeon is? Would you say he is tactful as well as full of common sense? Good question, children. Dr. James was indeed a very good doctor. We know it as he treated Tricky without any medicine. He was a good observer. He observed Tricky for a few days. And a very tactful person because he planned everything before. He knew that Mrs. Pumphrey would come to his surgery, to his hospital with Tricky because his condition would go bad. He predicted this. The way he handled, and he was good at dealing with people. The way he talked to Mrs. Pumphrey or handled the situation while talking to Mrs. Pumphrey showed his skills. He was a vet surgeon. When he saw Tricky, he understood his problem. He advised Mrs. Pumphrey to send Tricky to the hospital for a fortnight. उन्होंने Mrs. Pumphrey को बोला कि इसे 2 weeks के लिए हॉस्पिटल में भेज दो and he would be perfectly fine. And he treated Tricky without any medicine. He gave him less food and kept him in a natural environment with other dogs. दूसरे dogs के साथ उसने उसको खेलने के लिए और नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट दिया उनको, जैसे बाकी डॉग्स जो है वो खेलते हैं सबके साथ. वो अकेला नहीं था. एंड मोर ओवर उसका खाना कम हो गया था और वो ज्यादा एक्टिव हो गया था पहले से. दो ही वॉज टेम्प्टेड, मिस डॉक्टर जेम्स वॉज टेम्प्टेड टू keep Tricky as a permanent guest to enjoy eggs, whiskey and brandy. But he knew that Mrs. Pumphrey was very sad, would be very sad without Tricky. So he sent Tricky back as soon as he realized that he was fine. We can say that he was full of common sense as he says, I had my plans in advance. Because he could sense this, that yes, this was coming, that Tricky would be brought to the hospital. And it means that he knew what was going to happen to Tricky. So we can say that Dr. James was a capable and wise doctor and a very good-hearted human being. Next question says, do you think Tricky was happy to go home? What do you think will happen now? Children, you have to write your own answer here because the question says, what do you think? But what I think, I'm giving you the answer. You can write your own, children. Tricky was happy to go home. As soon as he saw Mrs. Pumphrey, he ran towards her, barking and licking her face. जब Mrs. Pumphrey उसको सर्जरी में हॉस्पिटल में लेने के लिए आई तो वो एकदम से जेम्स के हाथों से छूटकर मिसेस पंफ्रे के पास चला गया and he started barking and licking her face. I think she would be now extra, Mrs. Pumphrey would be extra careful now and she would not overfeed the dog and would give him exercise as she would not like to see him sick again. And third question is, do you think this is a real life episode or mere fiction? Means ये real story है या कुछ imaginary है? Children, what I think is that it might be a real story because Dr. James, means the author, was a vet surgeon. Probably he had experienced this and he had written it as a story. Now we come to page number 7. There are 2 questions. First is, this episode describes the silly behavior of a rich woman who is foolishly indulgent, perhaps because she is lonely. Do you think such people are merely silly, or can their actions cause harm to others? Children, I will not call it a silly behavior. Actually, maybe that lady was alone, and Mrs. Pumphrey, actually it was her love for the dog. Though she was overfeeding and it had a very harmful effect on dog, but it was her love and concern for dog. It is up to you, children, what you want to write in this answer. Next question is, do you think there are also parents like Mrs. Pumphrey? Yes, children, there are parents like Mrs. Pumphrey who show excessive love to their children and would go for the things that would harm them. Often we hear parents saying, मेरा बच्चा खाना नहीं खा रहा, उसको भूख नहीं लग रही, जबकि वो अपने हिसाब से खा रहा होता है बच्चा. लेकिन पेरेंट्स क्या है, फिर ओवरफीड कर देते हैं बच्चे को और वो बच्चा जो है वो उसकी हेल्थ पर उसका एडवर्स इफेक्ट होता है. I know, children, now you can write the answers well. I hope, children, you like this video. Stay tuned for more videos on different topics. इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर करिए. Thanks for watching my video.